welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Test Tube powered by New Beauty. This is a bi-monthly subscription for $29.95 every other month. This is primarily skincare, so if you're not into skincare, you're not going to like this, but I love this because I'm into skincare. So it comes with this pamphlet right here. And this month is supposed to be worth over $200, but we'll see. There was a couple items that did not fit in the box. The first one is NeuroCell Collagen Protein Peptides. So I do use collagen and protein daily, take it daily. I noticed that when I take collagen and protein that my joints don't hurt as much and my skin's elasticity is better, and it does seem to help with my hair growth as well. So I do use stuff like this. I've never used this brand, so I will be interested to see how this does, and it's perfect timing because I'm almost out, so there you go. But let's see what the book says about it. Okay, it says this retails for $39.99, which is pretty average for collagen and peptides. And it says this is collagen powder is the ultimate and easiest way to achieve glowing skin and healthy hair and nails from within. So there you go, exactly what I said. The other item that was in the box that didn't fit in the box, part of the box, is this right here. This is Naster 3-Step Skincare Kit 4-pack. 2 exfoliating and 2 recharging. Okay, let's open this. Okay, it says that each one retails for $4. So you get 2 of each. And it says exfoliate includes a cleanser, peeling pads, and sleeping mask. And recharge includes a cleanser, sheet mask, and hydro moisturizer. So this is like literally, you come home at the end of the day, you wash your makeup off, you do your moisturizer thing, whatever. So, or I guess you use the mask and then the hydro moisturizer. So that's how it works. Don't really know much about this brand either. I think these masks are interesting, and you know what? I love my mask. So I am excited about that one. All right, so let's go ahead and peek inside the box and see what's in here. Okay, so this is the Olay Breathable Treatment and Color Polish here. This retails for $9.99. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to actually pass this along to a friend who is interested in this color. So it says this one-step nail polish that acts as both polish and a treatment. The formula is breathable, allowing excess moisture to escape for longer lasting manicures. It also doesn't need a base or top coat. So if you're into nail polish, that's probably pretty awesome. Alright, so next item we have here is Brilliant Black toothpaste with activated charcoal, and that's what that looks like. Okay, it says this retails for $25. I don't know about you, but that's really expensive for a toothpaste. $25. I don't think I've ever spent $25 on toothpaste. Anyways, this says it is an organic toothpaste that utilizes activated charcoal and odor to visibly whiten teeth. It also been clinically tested for everyday use. Still, I don't know, $25 for a toothpaste, that's kind of pricey, right? Okay, on here it says it's whitening, vegan, and mint. Okay. I will definitely use it though. Next item is Native Fig. This is a replenishing 3-in-1 treatment for normal hair. This retails for $18. That seems a little bit more reasonable. There you go. Let's see what it smells like. It smells really good. I smell the fig, and it smells like there's some floral scent in here too, but it smells really good. All right, it says this vitamin-enriched leave-in spray coats hair with vitamin C, E, and calcium, instantly sealing in moisture and leaving hair frizz-free and detangled. So that is something I will enjoy because my hair just gets tangled easily. So yeah, that is good. Let's see what else we got. Okay, next we have Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. That's what it looks like. This is a $38 primer. It says a double duty primer that delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated complexion. It can be used with makeup or alone for a perfect no makeup look. So I do have this and I've been using it. It's almost gone and I really do like this. Let me take it out of the box so you can see what it looks like. That's what it looks like, and like I said, I've used this before, love it, and my old one is almost gone, so really excited to have another one. Alright, last thing in the box is, I can't pronounce it, so I'm not going to try, Hyaluronic Serum Hydrate and Plump. This retails for $60. It is a skin plumping line filler that volumizes and transforms skin, leaving behind a dewy, flawless glow. And I've used these serums before, not from this brand, and they are wonderful, and happy because I am out and wanted another one anyway. So that is the container. That is it. So for this box, I'm actually kind of pleased because everything I'm going to use except the nail polish. This is all stuff that I'm going to use, I want to use, and really do use in my regular routine. So this month was a really good box for me. Let me know what your favorite product is down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.